Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. So today's video is something long awaited and it's for my birthday and I couldn't be more excited.
I know, I'm so excited for her. And when she says long awaited, it just seems that way because actually
It's only been about a week.
it was pretty quick getting it here. So you've shown what you're getting.
Alright, so I am getting a Bolzano bag. Oh my goodness. So she said she would do this for me for my birthday, so I'm getting spoiled today. So thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
And to introduce ourselves, I'm Rebekah.
And I'm Wanda.
And we are the Southern Belles, and this is our channel where we do different style unboxings, some lifestyle videos, and different things like that. So, do you want to get started?
I do, and she's been looking. Oh, it's about the same size as yours. We're wondering if we got the same thing or not.
Yes, I'm thinking we may have gotten the same thing, but that's okay because I really like hers. So here we go. Let's pull it out of the bag. Oh, it is.
It's the same.
It's the same bag.
Uh-oh.
We're gonna get confused.
I know.
All right.
Yay.
So if you saw our previous video, it is this nice leathery bag that's brown with some burgundy straps and lining. It is a zipper bag, and the bottom has these little feet, so when you set it down it doesn't get all dirty. It has this pretty little charm hanging from it that says the B for Bolzano. Alright, and let's open it up and see what accessories we have inside.
Maybe the same.
Okay, so I think this must be my free gift. And I think it might be different than your free gift. Is this
No,
the free gift?
those are the accessories.
Oh, this is the accessories.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Did you not get a free gift?
Oh, no, I didn't get a free gift. Oh, well, that's okay.
She should have gotten a free
Wait,
gift.
maybe I did. Free gift.
Okay.
Okay, it's just different. It says free gift on it. Ooh, and I think I'm going to like this.
And we used Southern Yankees link again.
Yes, so thank you, Southern Yankee.
Are those?
I think these are
I think
gonna
these
be
are so
cute.
you. Oh yeah.
Ooh, those are so cute. They're a pair of earrings. Can you see those?
They're like tassels.
Yeah, they're blue, like navy blue tassels. I like those. Those are perfect for my style. The vintage bohemian style. These are perfect. Oh, I love them.
So we did get a different free gift.
Yeah. Oh, I'm excited about those.
And that's really neat how they customize that because that would not really be my style. But
Right.
It's so hers.
It's definitely my style. All right, now I'm excited to open up my accessories.
You want me to work on you on the inside of your bag?
Sure. So oops, I'm dropping straps on the floor, but that is important because these straps mean it can be a cross body.
Which she does do a lot.
Right, and maybe I can put those straps on mine, and that's how we can tell ours apart.
Yes.
So on the inside we have a zipper pouch. Right here we have a zipper pouch. And then we have a place for your phone and other accessories right here.
Very good.
All right. The cat's checking out my free gift over here.
And she may shake the camera.
All right, so let's look at this stuff.
Oh.
Oh, so I got a love. Did yours say love too?
It did, but mine was silver.
Oh, okay. So I got a gold necklace that says love on it. I'll take it out so you can see it better. I'm getting lots of jewelry. And I like how gold looks against my skin, so I'm excited for this necklace. We left the TV on in the background. If you can hear the TV, sorry guys.
Keeping up with the latest on the,
the virus.
the stuff that's going around.
That's right. I hope everyone is staying well.
Yes.
Alright, so here's the necklace. I keep dropping everything in the floor. We're in a different spot than usual. Okay. So there's that. Then I'm going to reach in here. Oh, this is a different color too, isn't it?
It is different. Mine was blue.
It's the same pattern, but it's a different color. Mine's red, blue, and tan.
That'll look really nice on here.
Yes, it will. I like that. And then open this up.
So yours are tortoise shell.
Yes, they are tortoise shell, but they'll go with just about everything.
Yeah.
And they might be shaped a little differently.
I think they are.
Are they shaped differently? How do they look on me?
I like those on you.
I'm ready to go driving in the sunshine, go to the beach, all that good stuff.
If we had sunshine.
That's right. We don't have any today, but yay! Well, I'm very pleased with this. I have to admit, I kind of wish we had gotten a different bag, but I do like the bag a lot, and you know, it's not a big deal. So
Yeah.
I'm really excited, and this is a great birthday surprise. Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Great. So thank you so much for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Do you want to explain a little bit about Bolzano?
Bolzano is a monthly subscription service, and there are different levels of it, I guess you could say. The one that we have, or the one that she got in that I received, is the one that has the accessories. And I believe it was, I didn't look it up, but I believe it was like $35,
Right,
more or less.
$33.95,
Right
something
around
like
there.
that.
And you get 3 accessories and a nice bag that I believe, if I remember correctly, was valued at $205. And this is not the only bag they have this month, because I have seen other unboxings that had different ones. And you can also get the bag with the accessories and beauty items, and I believe that's $43.95. And then they also have a luxe version, and I'm not sure what the difference in that is or not, but there are several different levels. You can get monthly, or you can get it quarterly, however you want to set it up. But we have both been very, very pleased with it, and it's just so much fun.
It is fun.
And to be honest, I'm not a huge handbag person. Excuse me. I know you hate to cough anytime these days.
Yeah.
I'm not a huge handbag person, but for some reason I'm really excited about this subscription and getting different ones.
I think I'm going to do it again next month.
Are you?
I think I am.
I think it's well worth it, because I can't find a handbag for $33 anywhere that I really like.
Right.
You know, and to get that as well as accessories, that's a pretty good deal.
Cool.
So yeah. And I know we just wanted to kind of pop in and...
Yeah, I was so excited to get started. We didn't even cut the TV off, so I'm glad that we did this today.
So we hope y'all are staying safe. If you're like us, both of us are in education, and we're at home for the next couple of weeks.
Yeah, out of work.
I also work at the church, and she works at another church, and we're also trying to decide exactly where we're going with that, whether live streaming or whatever. So, but we are using this time wisely.
That's right.
We are doing a lot of house renovations, and hopefully before too much longer, you're going to see a new background.
We'll have our own studio.
Our own room in our own house.
Yes, so we are looking forward to that for you guys.
That's right. In fact, we're going to be painting later today. So.
Awesome.
Until next time, we just hope you stay safe and have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Bye.